Welcome to this tutorial on why use Semrush position tracking. In today's digital landscape, search engine optimization is crucial for businesses to succeed online. Semrush position tracking is a powerful tool that helps you monitor and improve your website's visibility on search engines. First, let's understand what position tracking is. Position tracking refers to the process of monitoring the ranking of your website or specific keywords on search engines like Google. This helps you identify how your website is performing and make data-driven decisions to improve your SEO strategy. Using Semrush position tracking offers several benefits. It allows you to track your website's position for specific keywords, monitor your competitors, and identify opportunities to improve your ranking. With Semrush, you can track your position in different locations and devices, giving you a comprehensive understanding of your website's performance. To get started with Semrush position tracking, you need to set up a project in your Semrush account. This involves adding your website, selecting your target keywords, and choosing your target location. Once you've set up your project, Semrush will start tracking your website's position and provide you with detailed reports and analytics. One of the key features of Semrush position tracking is its ability to track your competitors. By monitoring your competitors' positions, you can identify gaps in the market and opportunities to outrank them. Semrush also provides you with insights into your competitors' strategies, allowing you to refine your own SEO approach. Best practices for using Semrush position tracking include regularly monitoring your website's position, analyzing your competitors, and adjusting your SEO strategy accordingly. It's also essential to track your position on different devices and locations, as this can impact your website's visibility. In conclusion, Semrush position tracking is a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their online visibility. By tracking your website's position, monitoring your competitors, and refining your SEO strategy, you can increase your website's ranking and drive more traffic to your site. With its comprehensive features and detailed analytics, Semrush position tracking is an essential tool for any business looking to succeed online.